Hi everyone, this is just a video to show you on how to change the pressure settings on the new Autoslide heat press, as most of them, the settings haven't been changed. So you could find that when you press all of these modes here, only number 1 works, but 2, 3 and 4 doesn't allow for the bed to go up and down and apply pressure. So there's a certain setting that you have to go on and change. So if you look at the user manual, there's a page whereby it shows you how to set the pressure. So I can show you now, just like press. On the manual it tells you to long press the set button to enter the password 88 and find mode D. So what you do is that you long press the set button, you then use the arrow going up to go on the number 88 right over here. When you're number 88, you press set, you then press set again, you then press set again and again, up until you get to where the display shows you a D on the side. When it shows you a D, then from there on you can either adjust your time for each pressure mode. So you can go down to 26, and then from there on you long press the set button to save the setting. You then go to the back of the machine, you switch it on and off. You then switch it back on. It comes back to the initial display when it's switched on. You then check if all your buttons now are working. So that's mode 1. Then this is pressure mode 2. Then this is pressure mode 3, as you can see. So now, with setting the pressure, the minute you enter the password, then you go to the display that shows the D, and then after that, then when you long press the set button to save the settings, it then unlocks all the modes of pressure. Then now you're able to use all of the modes of pressure from 1 to 4.